how to speed up your Windows 10 or 11 performance. So if you want to speed up your Windows 10 or 11 performance, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your task manager at first. So right click on your taskbar and then go with task manager. Once you go with the task manager, now here you need to simply go with the startup apps, which is right here. You may have the startup apps on the upper side or on the left side. So simply go with startup apps. And once you go with startup apps, now here are the apps which your system automatically starts when you start your PC or your laptop. So when you install a program in Windows, it may add a small program that runs when Windows starts. After installing a lot of software, you may experience your boot up process could become slow. And these programs run on the system background forever, and it will cause your system performance slow down. If there are any programs that runs on the background like this, then you just need simply right click on it and then go with quit that program, and your problem might be fixed. So under your startup, if you have any apps that you don't use, then what you need to do is simply right click on it and then go with disable. And once you disable, your problem will be fixed. You can do that same with each and other application that you don't use. You can simply go with disable. Just right click on it and then disable. And once you've done, go back. And the second thing you need to do is you just need to simply go with the search. Under search, you need to search for defragmentation or defragment and optimize drives, and make sure to select the C drive and then go with optimize option. Click on optimize, and once you've optimized, now your problem might be fixed. Go with optimize, and that's it. Now you can go and close, and you will speed up your Windows 10 or 11 in this way. Now the next step is to delete the unnecessary files. So to delete, you just need to simply right click on your Windows, go with run, and here you just need to simply search for TEMP, hit the enter, and here you will have all of the temporary files that you don't want. So simply press Ctrl A and select all of those, and then press Shift Delete and delete all of the files permanently. Once you've deleted, now you need to again go with the Windows, right click on it and go with run, and now you need to search for percentage temp percentage, hit the enter, and here you will have the unnecessary or temporary files. Again, choose all of these and then go with Shift Delete and then delete. Tap on yes and then continue, and skip the files which are not being able to delete. And once you've done, your problem will be fixed. And the next thing you can do is just open up your file explorer, and under your file explorer, go with this PC and go with local disk C, right click on it, go with properties, under properties, and here you will have an option of cleanup, disk cleanup. You just need to simply go with disk cleanup, and then you need to clean the disk and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can speed up your Windows 10 or 11 performance. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.